Did you know Excel has a secret category of functions that require absolutely zero input? Hello and welcome back to Ben Academy. Such functions have no ranges, no criteria, and no complexity. Just a function name and a pair of empty parentheses. Today we're gonna cover the complete list of zero input functions in Excel that will make your spreadsheets feel like they are running on autopilot. Let's get started, but before diving into the detail of this tutorial, if you like such content to see the similar contents, you can subscribe to our channel and check the videos in our channel. First up, we have our timekeepers. These are the workhorses of every dashboard. Type today with the equal sign and a pair of parentheses without writing any input inside the parentheses and press enter. You can see current date. It's perfect for report date headers. You need to track the exact minutes your report was generated. Type now. So if you write now with the same manner, with open and close parentheses, without writing anything inside the parentheses, and press enter, you can see the exact date and time. The pro move, these are volatile. That means every time you open this file, the date is already updated. No more stale reports. Only put this formula above your report and you are pretty sure that your report is updated every time you see it. Next, the math constants. Forget trying to memorize 3.14159. Just use pi. You can write equal sign, pi, and again open and close the parentheses. So you can see that the pi is written here. So you can see the pi number with too many digits. You can also increase the number of digits. And you can see that it's available until a specific digit here. I think it's enough for your calculation, so it's not required to memorize it, and it's more exact than writing only simply 3.14. Now, do you need to simulate data? Use rand function. It generates random decimal between 0 and 1. Try it with the equals sign and write rand, open and close the parentheses and hit enter. You can see that it's a random number between 0 and 1. And if you do anything in your worksheet, it will be changed. For example, if I write anything in another cell and hit enter, you can see that the random number is changed. And also you could see that the time is also updated. The golden rule for all of this, don't forget the parentheses. If you type simply equal sign pi without them, Excel thinks you've named the cell pi as pi and will give you an error. Keep them empty, keep them accurate, and keep your spreadsheets clean. If you found this quick fix useful, subscribe to Ben Academy for more tips like this. See you in the next one.